under the banyan tree where shadows play. The wind whispers low like it's got something to say. A lion sleeps, but his dreams never stray. Feel the chill of Jah fire, burning cool but rising higher. Feel the chill of Jah fire, it's the heat your soul desire. Raindrops dance on the drum of the earth. Roots dig deep where the rivers give birth. Wisdom grows where the silence has word. Feel the chill of Jah fire, burning cool but rising higher. Feel the chill of Jah fire, it's the heat your soul desires. Ashes to life, it's a circle we spin. Jah fire warms the coldest within. No chains can hold what the spirit begins. Feel the chill of Jah fire, burning cool but rising higher. Feel the chill of Jah fire, it's the heat your soul desires. Under the moon, Jah whispers low. Stars above, they start to glow. A cool wind hums a gentle tune. Life feels steady like June. Feel the chill of Jah sky. Lift your eyes, don't ask why. Feel the chill of Jah sky. Every moment passing by. Passing by. Palm trees sway in rhythms whole. Drums beat stories never old. Sand beneath my feet speaks true. Roots run deep where skies stay blue. Just breath, it calls, it flows. In every way that knows. Feel the slow behind the trees. A gentle breeze hums through the leaves. The earth it whispers, soft and slow, telling secrets only we know. Peace in music, feel it rise. A song of love beneath the skies. No war can break, no hate the skies. Peace in music, open your eyes. The drumbeat calls a steady heart. The bass line thumps a healing heart. Strings of hope, they lift the soul. In harmony, we all hold. One rhythm, one voice, one love, one choice. Peace in music, feel it rise. A song of love beneath the skies. No war can break, no hate the skies. Peace in music, open your eyes. When the world grows dark and shadows creep, let the melody guard your sleep. When chaos roars and tempers flare, music's arms will hold you there. Woke up slow with the sunlight's kiss. Dreams still dance in the morning mist. Every breath feels like a gentle gift. Peaceful mind today, let the worries drift away. Oh, peaceful mind today, let the rhythm guide my way. Rain on the roof plays a quiet tune. Clouds move lazy, they'll be gone soon. My heart beats steady like a drum in June. The wind it whispers low, tells me all I need to know. Peaceful mind today, let the worries drift away. Oh, peaceful mind trees. A gentle call carried by the breeze. Roots deep in earth where the strong ones grow. I feel the rhythm, I let it flow. Positive energy, let it show. Lift me higher, let it go. Through my veins, through my soul. Positive energy flow. Let it show. Lift me higher, let it go. Through my veins, through my soul. Positive energy flow. Barefoot walking on sacred ground. Every heartbeat a sacred sound. Echoes of ancestors in the rain. Their wisdom whispers break the chain. Energy, energy, let it show. Lift me higher, let it go. Through my veins, through my soul. Positive energy flow. Let it show. Lift me higher, let it go. Through my veins, through my soul. Positive energy flow. Shake off the shadows, leave them behind. The sun is rising, love's what you'll find. Open your heart, let the blessings unwind. One step forward, free your mind. Positive energy, let it show. Lift me higher, let it go. Through my veins, through my soul. Positive energy flow. Let it show. Lift me higher, let it go. Through my veins, through my soul. Positive energy flow. Morning light whispers cool and sweet. Dust on the road tickles my bare feet. A mango tree, a breeze so slow. Where do we hurry? Where do we go? Easy skanking, easy now. Feel the rhythm, show me how. Easy skanking, just stay low. Take it easy, let it flow. Oh, oh, This reggae beat is Clouds may gather, skies turn gray. Still the rhythm finds its way. Through the storm we keep the fire. Love's the spark that lifts us higher. Feel it in the air tonight. Feel it in your soul. It's right. Positive vibration. Let it flow. Rise up higher. Let your spirit glow. Whoa, oh, oh. Let the good vibes grow. Positive vibration. Let it show. Every voice, every nation. One world, one creation. Plant the seeds of love. They'll grow. Watch them bloom. Watch them grow. Sunrise whisper, calling my name. Palm trees sway, they know my game. Barefoot steps on the sandy floor. Reggae beats knocking on my door. Reggae in my blood, it won't let me be. A rhythm so strong, it sets me free. Heartbeat skanks like the ocean stud. Forever I'll carry reggae in my blood. Smoke spirals twist, they kiss the sky. Laughter and love, we don't ask why. Echoes of drums in the evening glow. Reggae's the only truth I know. It moves my soul, it shakes my bones. Reggae feels like coming home. Reggae in my blood, it won't let me be. A rhythm so strong, it sets me free. Heartbeat skanks like the ocean stud. Forever I'll carry reggae in my blood. No chains can bind, no walls can hold. Reggae is fire, burning bold. It's the story of pain, the cry of the earth, a sound reborn with every birth. reggae in my blood. It won't let me be. A rhythm so strong, it sets me free. Heart beats dance like the ocean's blood. Forever I'll carry reggae in my blood. The night hums low like a bassline beat. The stars wink slow as the skies they weave. A rhythm rolls where the shadows creep under the reggae moon. Oh yeah, reggae moon shine down tonight. Glow so soft so bright, move my soul, make wrong feel right. Under the reggae moon, winded whispers through the mango trees, carries a melody on the breeze. My heart beats steady like the seven seas under the reggae moon. Oh, sway with me now. Let the rhythm show you how. Reggae moon shine down tonight. Glow so soft but feel so bright. Move my soul. your spirit start to sway. The world will turn in its gentle reggae way. Yeah. The river hums a song both deep and wide. It carries stories of the ocean's tide. Clouds up above, they don't rush to be. They linger soft like a melody. Oh, can you hear it? Can you feel it? The world sings low if you let it heal it. Relax and believe in the rhythm of the day. Feel the warmth of life, let the troubles drift away. Relax and believe, let your spirit start to sway. The world will turn in its gentle reggae way. Hey, don't let the noise steal the truth from your heart. The beat of the drum is where healing will start. Let your mind unwind, let the pressure release. Every note a step to a place of peace. Relax and believe in the rhythm of the day. Feel the warmth of life, let the troubles drift away. Relax and believe, let your spirit start to sway. The world will turn in its gentle reggae way. Yeah. Gentle reggae way. Yeah. Gentle reggae way. Roots dig deep where the sun don't shine. Wisdom grows in the cracks of time. A drum beat hard in the soul of the vine. Roots and culture hear the call. Stand together or we fall. Roots and culture rise up tall. One foundation for us all. rock is laid. Feet in the dust, roots in the ground. This is the place where truth is found. Roots and fire, burning high. Feel the rhythm, touch the sky. Roots and fire, we won't tire. Lift your voice, let's fly. The river sings its ancient tune. Drums echo under the silver moon. Hands to the soil, hearts to the beat. We walk together where life and love meet. Roots and fire, burning high. Feel the rhythm, touch the sky. Roots and fire, we won't tire. Lift your voice, let it inspire. Ashes to embers, the spark remains. Through the storm and through the rain. Unity rising, a mighty choir. Roots and fire, roots and fire. Roots and fire, burning high. Feel the rhythm, touch the sky. Roots and fire, we won't tire. Lift your voice, let it inspire. The sun rises, it burns through the haze. Roots deep in the earth, they never decay. My heart beats steady like the drum in the bay. Living for truth, chasing the race. Roots fire eternal, it won't die no way. Blazing through the night, turning dark into day. Roots fire eternal, keep Babylon away. Stand proud, hold tight, let the music play. Smoke curls up like a whispering tree. Freedom's a river flowing wide to the sea. Every leaf a story, each branch a plea. The roots hold the power to be free. Roots fire eternal, it won't die no way. Blazing through the night, turning dark into day. Roots fire sky. Roots fire of Jah never die. Morning sun kissing the red clay. Drums of the earth keep time today. Every beat, every step, we pray. Feel it rising, feel it true. Jah light shining, breaking through. Roots fire burning, oh so high. Lift your eyes up to the sky. Roots fire of Jah never die. Ashes to ashes, smoke to the breeze. Wisdom carried on the palm tree leaves. The fire speaks in the tongues of sea. Roots fire burning, oh so high. Lift your eyes up to the sky. Roots fire of Jah never die. The sun rises slow like a lion's roar, burning the sky where the spirit soars. Dust on my feet, the earth feels warm. Roots fire of life, it never dies, burning in the heart where truth resides. Roots fire, oh it dies. Roots fire of life, it never dies, burning in the heart where truth resides. Roots fire, oh it dies. The wind, it whispers the songs of old, stories of freedom carved in gold. Under the stars, the journey unfolds. One step forward, two steps strong. We keep on moving, the road is long. Roots fire of life, it never dies, burning in the heart where truth resides. Roots struggle we toil and toil. Morning breaks but the night's still near. Carry the weight yet we persevere. Roots fire rising high, burning true beneath the sky. Lift your voice, let freedom cry. Roots fire rising high. Rain falls but the drought still calls, echoes loud through the mountain halls. Sunset whispers where the rivers bend. The fight for justice will never end. Roots fire rising high, burning true beneath the sky. Lift your voice, let freedom cry. Roots fire rising high. Can't stop the seeds we sow. They'll rise where the cold winds blow. Through the storm we find our way. Roots keep growing every day. Roots fire rising high, burning true. Roots deep in the red gold soil. Through the struggle we toil and toil. Morning breaks but the night's still near. Carry the weight yet we persevere. Roots fire rising high, burning true beneath the sky. Lift your voice, let freedom cry. Roots fire Roots fire rising, reaching sky. Golden sun blesses all it sees. Whispers carried on the ocean breeze. Roots fire rising high, touching stars we can't deny. Roots fire burning bright, guiding us through the darkest night. Ancient drums echo through the hills. Rhythms heal where the soul distills. Every beat a story untold. Roots of wisdom stronger than gold. Feel it move, feel it grow. Truth in every seed we sow. Roots fire rising high, touching stars we can't deny. Roots fire burning bright, guiding us through the darkest night. Oh. Branches reach out like arms of love, stretching wide to the heavens above. Each leaf sings a sacred tune, dancing softly under the moon. Roots fire rising high, touching stars we can't deny. Roots fire burning bright, guiding us through the darkest night. Roots run deep beneath my feet, whispers of the earth, a steady beat, ancient stories in the breeze, incomplete. Roots fire through time, they grow, they climb, burning bright, no end, no line. sleep. Under the soil where secrets keep. Night whispers soft while the shadows creep. Fire, fire under the stars, burning bright from near to far. Feel the rhythm, heal your scars. Roots, fire under the stars. The wind hums low through the ancient trees. A rebel song carried on the breeze. Truth is a river, it flows with ease. Oh, can you feel it rise? The heartbeat of the skies. Fire, fire under the stars, burning bright from near to far. Feel the rhythm, heal your scars. Roots, fire under the stars. Smoke dances high like a spirit's call. Feet to the earth, we stand so tall. One love, one light, we're never small.